Hello viewers and welcome to the beautiful Mediterranean city of Überlingen on the Lake of Constance in Germany. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment if you have been to Überlingen yourself or to the Lake of Constance. I will give you a nice walk along the beautiful promenade of Überlingen on this sunny day in May 2024. And I will try to show you a few places in Überlingen that I like to visit. As some of you may remember, I released a video about Überlingen about 1.5 to 2 years ago, which was recorded around Christmas. It was an extremely foggy day and I promised all of you that I would release another video on Überlingen where you could see the true beauty of this medieval marvel. Now Überlingen is over 1250 years old and I highly recommend you come to visit during the warmer months of the year, which is like from March till October. This was, as I said before, recorded in May of 2024, a day before Mother's Day, and we had about 20 degrees Celsius outside, but it felt more like 30 plus degrees in the sun. If you come to Überlingen during the real hot summer months, you can actually swim in the lake, not here in the harbor, it's too dangerous with the yachts and motorboats and the bigger ships coming in and out, but on each end of Überlingen they do have places where you're allowed to swim in the lake. Now if it's a very warm year, the lake can go up to 24 degrees Celsius, but usually the water temperature is hovering around 20 degrees Celsius or the low 20s. Überlingen has many opportunities to invest in real estate. The place is swarmed, as you can see, by tourists during the warmer time of year, and many of them like to stay here in Airbnb type of accommodations. As you can see along the promenade here, you have a wide variety of different restaurants, cafes and bars. And in the streets that are not directly on the lake, you have more restaurants and bars and cafes. So it should always be possible to find a restaurant with food that you would like. Most restaurants in Überlingen do have quite good food. The ship you see ahead, which is called a Seegold or a Sea of Gold in English, is one of the smaller ships here. It's just going to the other side of the lake here and is kind of doing a back and forth service. It's doing this crossing multiple times per day. And it's not a long journey, but if you're just here for a short trip, this may be a journey worth taking. As I think the return journey, you're looking maybe maximum at 1 hour. We will now continue to walk along the promenade and you will see some more restaurants, bars and cafes and hotels. On the left you have a smaller ship. You can either pick between a bigger ship or a smaller ship if you want to go on the lake. They will go to various locations. I will continue to release in the future further videos about the beautiful Lake of Constance. This is one of the main tourist attractions here in the south of Germany. And you will see that this lake is also connected not only to Germany, like the majority of the southern border is Switzerland, and there's a small bit in the eastern part of the lake that is Austrian territory. The water from the Lake of Constance is extremely clean. A lot of towns further up north, for example Stuttgart, their drinking water is pumped all the way up there from the Lake of Constance. Of course, the location where they pump the water out is a well-guarded secret for safety reasons. I will be silent for a bit now so you can enjoy more of the beauty from Überlingen and the Lake of Constance. Before you ask, we are not in Italy yet, we are still in Germany, and yes, there are palm trees growing in Überlingen all year round. So we have left the Promenade now and walking down Hafenstrasse, which is kind of the parallel street to the Promenade. But as you can see, it's immediately not as busy anymore as if you walk down directly the Promenade. Along Hafenstrasse you do have still multiple cafes and restaurants in Überlingen. So we are now going to a special place, the Portal Cafe, which is a fully vegan cafe offering coffee, cakes, salads and sandwiches for people like me with food allergies. I will put the address in the video description. We will now walk on Grabenstrasse towards the more medieval part of Überlingen. We are now walking along a little stream which is called the Nellenbach. And this kind of area between the walls here used to be part of the defensive system of medieval Überlingen. you will see in more detail the old defensive wall once we continue our walk along here. On the right now you can see the leftovers from the old defensive walls of Überlingen, and ahead the round structure is a old defense tower that was part of the outer wall structure of Überlingen. I'm sure they had some cannons and stuff in there to try and scare away their enemies. On the left side here you do have the Überlingen train station. There are regular trains coming here either from Friedrichshafen or from the German station of Basel. I guess I end the video around here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a comment and like a video. I will put a link here to the other video about Überlingen I made. Until next Sunday, stay safe and healthy. Thanks for watching.